You don't know that you had it on the TV. Have people calling your phone all morning.
My phone ringing
Yes, go and check with it.
again? Yeah, I must say.
All right, folks, you can add a personal. Anyway, what happened?
Person, I go before my reach.
Okay, add a personal touch to the next gift you give. Nope, they're not gonna want that from Madam or Nev.
Definitely not me.
By making the gift bag yourself. Why? When it's so easy to buy it in the pharmacy. Anyway, we are supposed to be attempting to make gift bags this morning.
We?
And I'm not speaking French. It's not how you high. It's
Okay.
W-E.
Which don't make sense, but,
It's gonna end badly, folks. I may as well just
No,
spoil alert
don't
from
bother
now.
with that. We are positive.
It never
we are
ends
positive
well.
that when we done, people is going to want to buy gift bags from us. Remember me told you.
And they can call us where?
555.
0000.
That's exactly right.
Okay. All right. Let's see the video.
Oh, by the way, it's 876.
Or 658. Video. Donnell, do you think you could start that over from the top? No. Just no. Come, take out back a piece of paper.
You know it nearly done?
No. Wasn't, no. Come again, Don.
Wait.
So the first fold.
Only can slow motion the video, please. All right, hold on now. See, we're ready now. We're ready. Sama, wait no, Sam. Yeah? Center. Hold on, no center, so. All right, don't move it. Center, so or center, so.
So.
Center, so.
Yeah.
All right. Our four.
And then you fold
Then you fold again.
just
Where? So? Eh? This? Then we done fold already. So, and then go so. And then so.
Go
So?
again, the dance. Yeah.
We do that already. Yeah, man, we have that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have that. We have that too. See, mine reached this already.
So go on, open it out like
This is the thing now. Alright, you open it back.
You're only supposed to have
Glue,
3, so I have 4.
Wait, no. Oh, this way. How do you do this?
Show off it and then just...
Oh. How do you glue?
Please, I'm never doing
The
it.
end. No, you glue the middle. It's the end.
Was it the end that you glued?
Yes.
I knew that. I was just checking to see if you guys were paying attention.
Are those one side you glue?
Yes, no, yes, Mom. What?
You glue this too?
My bag done that already because
Wait,
I
no.
glued the middle
Then
of
you
the
do
bag
this?
already, so it's all over.
So? And so?
And you should have so. And then, I know what you do again, Don.
Yeah. Wait, no, man. Move on now.
Hold the bottom already.
Wait.
And then,
Oh, wait. Why are you talking to me like me done?
because you say
Me done?
correct. Come again now?
So you glue the bottom too?
Yes, wait. It all? No, it do not.
Well, I
You
know
make
this
a
is
lip out of it.
Don't
You make a
stop.
lip. You make a lip. Wait. Oh, but what? Thank you, Marv.
We might have it, sir.
I don't know. The lip come in, him say. The lip come
Me
in.
lean over. Me think.
Okay,
See what
and
you
then
do? Oh, you do that?
I'm not telling you that's secret.
Then you how I make
You
it.
have to spread them out like so. Nephew, why you glue down yourself?
Then the one who said me must glue it.
I didn't tell you to do anything.
Where
You
do?
know, listen, I'm giving you the mouse.
Some are rolling. You have the thing, you know.
Sit there. Go on.
Go and go away.
Alright, and then what again now? Okay.
So?
Yeah, and then what again, dance? Put the bottom part up. Jody's one she could have did this, you know.
So glue right there, so? Don't glue. Don't do that. Turn up, so?
Wait, you're gonna see what's next on that video, Don.
Then why I couldn't glue from before?
Up.
Take me now, not do.
My bag can be ready, you know, me not tell nobody. Nothing. And then you glue in. Okay. And then what? Feel like I'm losing weight over it.
No, you fold so. Yeah, man. Have it.
Okay. Give me back my glue, you cook. Then
Then what?
other side.
Yeah. I have that already.
And the
Then
other
the other
side.
side. You know, me I carry this go sell at pharmacy. Then one out. And glue.
The moment of truth. Why is it true I did glue down the middle of mine?
But my glue down the middle too. No,
I
it's
open
only
my bag
7
this way, because only two want to see what's in my bag. See my bag open? And by open I mean like everybody could know what I buy, because to buy it wouldn't get far. So how come this open? Because I glued it. Oh, it was supposed to be. Oh, I know what I did wrong now.
Like my one.
So I should have glued it here
Yeah, but that's what I do
in the
mine.
middle, right? So that's it. Then it would have looked like this. Open. Okay, never mind. Just forget about it. I'm done.
Wait, no man, I'm not done.
And then I'm going to just put something in there to carry. and just tie it up. You know, Jody, you're really asking for too much. I don't know if you realize that as it is, it's not working.
I want to show you something, you know. 'Cause I will not talk.
Look how my bag is pretty and
No,
frilly.
but look at
there.
my bag, ladies and gentlemen.
Come here, let me see one on the back of your bag.
You don't worry about the back of my
The whole of your back.
Yeah, I don't have to worry.
Rain or
Because
fall, breeze
when I
or
said,
blow.
I can go son and let out the things in
You
my
can
bag.
let out everything in the back of your bag, though.
But you just tear the bag after I make the bag so properly and nice.
Your bag don't make good either. Rain or fall and breeze or blow, and both our bags are out of door.
What is
there.
out of door?
Our bag back. But
Compare
if you
the
give us
bags.
another chance, I'm telling you, we just have it locked up.
Plus, those bags over there have no character at all.
I agree.
We like ours that the things
So in
look like it can
2019,
drop
you see
out.
how they have like those clothes with this big long slit?
Yes.
This is a slit bag. This is for people who want to be fashionable with their bags, so people know that you have a certain kind of perfume in there or a certain kind of item in here.
And it's for people who don't want to put nothing in the bag, you just want to have fun with the bag.
You can wear it as a clutch if you want.
There you go, me like clutch. So if you go, you know what this bag is perfect for if you don't have no money to shop.
Not also.
You just go out with the bag and you come back with the bag.
And
say, where you buy? You just say, nothing, me just like, let me just walk with my bag.
And it also serves as a multi-purpose implement because when you're hot, as is, you know, happening with climate change,
and you deal with it.
it's
So
fun. So it's a flag. It's a fan bag.
It's a fan bag.
It's a bag.
Yeah. Yeah,
It's
the F is silent.
It's a